Last Tuesday I buried my daughter, but the truth was even worse. She died from cancer. But I did not know she was sick. Why did she hide it from me? She was my only child. I loved her more than anything. But she lied to me. She said she was fine. She smiled every time I called. Now I sit in her empty room. I hold her photo. The secret she kept is breaking my heart. How could she do this? I need to understand. The doctor told me she knew for 2 years. 2 years of pain. 2 years of silence. I never saw the signs. But now I will find out everything. My name is May. I am a mother. My daughter Yuki was 35 years old. She was a nurse. She worked at a big hospital. She was always busy. But she always called me every Sunday. We talked for hours. She told me about her patients. She told me about her life. I was proud of her. One day, she stopped calling. I called her many times. She always said, "I am fine, Mom. Just tired." I believed her. But something felt wrong. I decided to visit her. I took the train to the city. I went to her apartment. The door was unlocked. I found her on the floor. She was very thin. Her face was pale. I called an ambulance. The ambulance came fast. The paramedics took her to the hospital. I waited in the emergency room. A doctor came to me. He said, "Your daughter has cancer. It is very advanced." I could not speak. I asked, "Why did she not tell me?" The doctor said, "She knew for 2 years. She did not want to worry you." I felt my heart break. I went to her room. She was asleep. I held her hand. I whispered, "Why, Yuki? Why did you hide this from me?" She opened her eyes. She said, "I am sorry, Mom. I wanted to protect you." I cried. I said, "You should have told me. I could have helped you." She said, "I know. But I was scared." I stayed by her side every day. I watched her get weaker. I prayed for a miracle. But the cancer was too strong. She died in my arms. I felt her last breath. Now I am alone. I have so many questions. Why did she keep this secret? What was she afraid of? I need to find the truth. After Yuki died, I cleaned her apartment. I found a box under her bed. It was full of letters. They were addressed to me. But she never sent them. I opened the first letter. It said, "Dear Mom, I am sorry I cannot tell you the truth. I am sick. The doctor says I have cancer. I am scared. But I do not want you to worry. You have already suffered so much. Dad died 5 years ago. I do not want to hurt you again. I cried as I read. The next letter said, Dear Mom, the treatment is very hard. I am losing my hair. I am in pain. But I pretend I am fine when you call. I love you so much. I hope you can forgive me. There were many letters. Each one told more of her pain. She wrote about her fear. She wrote about her loneliness. She wrote about her hope. She hoped she would get better. She hoped she could tell me one day. But she never did. I realized she was protecting me. She gave up her own comfort to save me from pain. But now I feel guilty. I should have noticed. I should have asked more questions. I was too busy with my own life. I failed her. I sat on her bed. I held the letters to my chest. I said out loud, I forgive you, Yuki. But I cannot forgive myself. Then I found one more letter. It was different. It was sealed. I opened it. It said, Dear Mom, if you are reading this, I am gone. Please do not be sad. I am in a better place. But I need to tell you one more secret. I did not tell you because I was afraid you would hate me. The truth is, I am not your biological daughter. I was adopted. I found out 5 years ago. I wanted to tell you, but I was scared you would stop loving me. I love you, Mom. You are my real mother. Always. My hand shook. I could not believe it. Yuki was adopted? I never told her. Who told her? I felt a new pain. But also a strange relief. She was my daughter. Nothing could change that. I decided to find out how she learned the truth. I called the adoption agency. They told me Yuki came to them 5 years ago. She wanted to know her birth parents. They gave her a file. Her birth mother was a young woman named Akiko. She died in a car accident when Yuki was a baby. Her father was unknown. Yuki never found him. I felt a deep sadness. My daughter searched for her roots alone. She carried this burden without me. I went to the cemetery. I visited Yuki's grave. I put flowers on it. I said, I am sorry, my daughter. I should have been there for you. I should have told you about your adoption myself. But I was afraid too. I thought if you knew, you would not love me. I was wrong. You loved me anyway. You were so brave. You faced death alone to protect me. I am so proud of you. I will always love you. I sat there for hours. The sun set. The stars came out. I felt a peace I had not felt in weeks. Yuki's secret was not a betrayal. It was a gift. She gave me her love even in silence. I decided to live for her. I would help other patients in the hospital. I would volunteer. I would make her proud. The next day, I went to the hospital. I asked to volunteer. The nurse recognized me. She said, "You are Yuki's mother. She talked about you all the time. She loved you so much." I smiled. I said, "I know. I loved her too. Now I want to help others like she did." I started working in the cancer ward. I held hands of scared patients. I listened to their stories. I told them about Yuki. I told them it is okay to be scared. It is okay to ask for help. I learned that secrets can hurt, but love can heal. Yuki taught me that. I will never forget her. Now I understand. Yuki's secret was not to hurt me. It was to protect me. She thought if I knew about her cancer, I would suffer. She thought if I knew about the adoption, I would stop loving her. But she was wrong. I loved her more because of her sacrifice. I learned that love is not about perfect truth. It is about understanding. It is about forgiveness. I forgave Yuki. I forgave myself. I started a new life. I volunteer at the hospital every week. I talk to patients. I tell them my story. I tell them, do not hide your pain. Let your family help you. Secrets can break hearts, but honesty can heal. I feel Yuki with me. She is in every smile I give. She is in every hand I hold. I am not alone. I have her memory. I have her love. And I have a new purpose. If you have a secret, think about the people who love you. They want to help. They want to be there. Do not be like Yuki. Do not wait until it is too late. Share your burden. Let love in. That is the lesson I learned. And that is the story I will tell forever.